Hello dear student, myself Swati Phutane. Welcome to math class. Today we are going to learn new lesson addition without carryover. Student, we are learn addition by counting forward in previous class. There are two type of addition, without carrying addition and carrying number addition. Today we are going to learn addition without carrying over. Here you can see 4 number is unit place and 2 number also is in unit place. So let us add them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On adding them we get the 6 number here. So answer is here 6. Here first question is here 5 plus 3. So we write this 5 plus 3 in unit place. Let us add them. We counted only 3 fingers forward from the 5 number. So after 5, 6, 7, 8. So answer is there 8. In this way you can do the all addition. Here you can see the 6 plus 2. So we write this in unit place and let us add them. Count 2 fingers from the 6 number. 7, 8. The answer will be here 8. Five plus 4. What answer will be here? 9. 4 plus 4. Answer here 8. Here you can see 3 plus 6. We write this in unit place. Let us add them. Count 3 fingers from the 6 number. 7, 8, 9. The answer will be here 9. You can also count the 6 fingers from the 3 number. You can get the same answer here. So answer is here 9. Now we are going to see the 2-digit addition. Here you can see the example. 2 tens and 3 units, 1 10 and 2 units. Here tens means what? There is a 20 number. 2 tens means 20. Okay, first we will solve the unit side. Remember everyone, first we should be solve the unit side. So 3 plus 2, here answer will be 5. Then after that you solve this side, 10 side. 2 plus 1, the answer will be 3 here. Let us solve this example now. Here you can see 2 tens here. Okay. Then how many units are here? 4. See, plus 1 tens and how many units? 3. Let us add them. First we solve the unit side. Remember every time, first we should solve the unit side, then tens side. Okay. Solve the sum right side to left side. Okay. So 4 plus 3, we will get the answer 7. Okay. Then 2 plus 1, 3. So answer will be here 3 tens 7 units means 37. In this way you can solve this all sum like this way. First you solve the unit side, then you solve the tens side. Students, we will solve the sum addition here. See the first question, 12 plus 13. We will solve the unit side first, then tens side. 2 plus 3. Just count the 3 fingers forward from the 2 number. 3, 4, 5. So answer is here 5. 1 plus 1, it is so easy, 2. So answer is here 25. Here you can solve the second question. 15 plus 12. Just count the two fingers forward from the 5 number. 6, 7. So answer is here 7. 1 plus 1, it is so easy, 2. So answer is here 27. See the 3 number question, 24 plus 5. We solve the unit side first. Just count the 5 number forward from the 4 number. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So answer is here 9. Here you can see just 2 number here. Here no any number. So answer is here 2. So answer will be 29. 4 number question, 16 plus 23. We should solve the first unit side. Just count the 3 number forward from the 6 number. 7, 8, 9. So answer is here 9. Here 1 plus 2. It's so easy, 3. So answer will be here 39. Here 7 plus 2, 37 plus 2. The question, we will solve the unit side first. Just count the 2 number forward from the 7 number. 8, 9. So answer is here 9. And here you not see any number, no? So answer is here 3. So answer will be 39. Make your own example of addition and solve them. Here you can make your own example. First, you write the tens and unit. This is the unit side and this is the tens side. So we write here example 32 plus 35. First we solve the unit side, then we solve the tens side. So 2 plus 5, how much it is? 7. And 3 plus 3, 6. So answer is here 67. We make a next example. (12) plus 32. So we solve the first unit side. 2 plus 2, 4. And 1 plus 3 is also 4. So answer is here 44. I hope you all of you understand this lesson. Okay.